Fireworks at the Rose Bowl.
My Rose Bowl.
Rose Bowl.
Smoke a bowl at the Rose Bowl. In the Rose Bowl. Told you just give us some songs.
Okay, it went dark again. Is that a tease? Car alarm's going off. Guess they were too loud.
Pasadena, California baseball. Oh, we got a good spot right here on the runway. Here on the golf course.
Birdie. UFO.
Huh?
Looks like a UFO, one of them on here.
No, that's a balloon right there.
No, the way the lights were.
Yeah, well, those are balloons for the golf course. So.
I know that. Okay, that's enough.
Huh?
I'm gonna watch the rest myself.